Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to the advanced level. And right now, we will be discussing about the CSS grouping selector. The grouping selector selects all the HTML elements with the same style definitions. Once again, it selects all the HTML elements with the same style definitions. Look at the following CSS code. H1, H2, and P tag elements have the same style definition. As you can see, they have this text align, and the color is red. Text align center and the color is red, and this P tag also is having text align, the color is red. Let's get back to our document and do something with that. So back here, as you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS universal selector. As you can see, this is the CSS universal selector. Let's remove this and remove all this again. Now let's create H1. This is H1. You can call it first. Let's give our H2 tag. Let's give it second, right? Let's give our H3, let's give it third. Now let's save our document quickly so you can be able to understand what I'm trying to talk about. Let's reload it. Can you see we are having first, second, third, right? H1, H2, H3. Now right here, the CSS group selector is this. You are going to write H1 like this. When you have your H1 tag like this, you can space it and give it value. Let's say color red. Some people used to do it like this: color red, color is equal to red. So and text align center, right? Some people used to do it like this, in this manner, and they will have their H1, H2, H3 like that. Also, you can have it this also. They can do like this H2, right? They can do like this H2 and give it color different, the same color, and also give it H3 also and give it that same color. This is one type of grouping. This is the first type of grouping that you can group your element, and you can do anything with your element again, right? Let's save this, and you can see they are also having the same thing. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you another ways of grouping elements in our CSS document. So quickly, let me show you this firstly so you can be able to understand. This one is the first way of grouping elements in your CSS. So as you can see, they are all having the same styling. As you can see, they are all having the same styling. Can you see? Color red, text align center, everything is the same. But in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you different way you can do this, that you can make your document look nice. And what akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next tutorial. Bye.